Nice to meet you. Welcome back to our online class. So, in the last class, you learnt about national symbols. Right, children? Yes? Very good. Now, based on that, I am going to ask you few questions. Let me see how many of you can answer properly. Correct answers, how many of you will give? Let me see. Right, children? Very good. Come on. What is our national flower? Right, you are right, children. Lotus. So, what is our national anthem? Right, children. It's Jana Gana Mana. Now, let me ask one more question. What is our national song? Vande Mataram. Very good, children. Many of you have given the correct answers. Very good. Now, in today's class, we are all going to learn about our ministers. Right, children? Come on. Before we start our topic, let me ask few questions. Right? All of you listen carefully and answer to my question. Right? Now, children, since so many days your online classes started, teachers are giving so much of work to do. Right? Worksheets they are sending to you. So those are all things you have to write it in a new notebook. Right, children? Then for completing the work, you need the notebook, you need the pencil, you need the eraser, you need the scale. Right? Apart from these all things you need. Right? Then these all things who will provide for you? Tell me. Yes, very good. Your father provides these all things to you. Your parents provide these things to you. Not only the stationery, but the other things like food, clothes, everything what you need to survive. These all things are provided by your parent. You have learnt already, India is a very large country and it has 28 states and 9 union territories. Right, children? So, we need so many different things to lead a comfortable life. Right, children? All the country people, they need the different things to survive. Right, children? Like, you can see here in the picture, the people of India need all these things to lead a comfortable life. Like drinking water, hospitals, and well-laid roads, transport facility, electricity, okay, and educational institutions like schools, colleges, and the different institutions. As you have seen in the picture, children, these all things, each and every person, every citizen of the country need this. But these all things, a common person by himself cannot provide and do it. This is done by somebody else. Right, children? So, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about who provides these all facilities to us. So, we select few people to take care of our needs. These people, when they come together, they form the government. India has two types of government. There is central government and the state government. So, already just now I told you people, we select few people to take care of our needs. So, they all come together and form the government, and those people who are working in the central government, they are called as central ministers, and the people who are working in the state government, they are called as the state ministers. Right, children? Now, I am going to show you some important central ministers' pictures and their department portfolios. Okay? So, we will learn about them in today's class. So, now I will show you some pictures of the ministers, children, and all of you please carefully look at the pictures. Okay? I am going to show you the first picture, children. All of you carefully see it, observe it, and tell me who is he. Maybe you know about him. Look at the picture, children. You recognize? Who is he, you know, children? Yes. So, he is Mr. Narendra Modi, our country's Prime Minister. So, he is the Prime Minister of our country, and his name is Shri Narendra Modi. Right, children? Now, the second picture I am showing to you. Just look at the picture. Right, children? So, the second picture is of our India's president. Right, children? The president of our country, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Right, children? Now, the third picture about Vice President of our country. So, he is the Vice President of our country and his name is Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Vice President of our country, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. Right, children? Now, the third picture I am showing to you. See it? That is about Finance Minister. Right? Finance Minister. Her name is Mrs. Nirmala Sita Raman. So our country's finance minister name is Mrs. Nirmala Sita Raman. Next, the important person, children, is Amit Shah. You know which post he holds? He is our country's Home Minister. Right, children? Who is our country's Home Minister? Mr. Amit Shah. Okay, children? Now, the next one, important, who take case are neighboring country, are border sharing countries, right, relation with them. So, he is Mr. Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister of our country. Okay, children, he is a Defense Minister. His name is Mr. Rajnath Singh. Right, children? Now, once again, look at the board and try to understand. The first one is Prime Minister of our country, Shri Narendra Modi. The second is President. His name is Ram Nath Kovind. Next is Vice President of our country, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu. And the fourth one, important person, Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sita Raman. The next one is Home Minister, children. Okay, all the home affairs will be looked after by this person. Right, children? And he is Amit Shah. The last one, Defense Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh. Mr. Rajnath Singh. These are the important ministers of our country. In today's class, we learned about the different ministers and their names and the post which they are holding. Right, children? Understood, everybody? So, once again, recollect it. Once again, you watch the video. Then try to remember these names and their post. Right, children? Now, after the class, note down these all the ministers' names and their post and paste the pictures. For pasting the pictures, children, no, please don't go to internet centers. Right, children? You will get these ministers' pictures in the old books, in old term books, or in the newspapers. Right, children? Now we'll stop our class, today's class here, children. See you in the next class. Take care.